Welcome to the Enterprise AI Minute, your journey into the real-world AI future. This episode is brought to you by CloudWars Expo, running June 28th to 30th at Moscone Center. And I'll be there leading tracks of sessions alongside Bob Evans, founder of CloudWars, and my acceleration economy analyst colleagues. So go to cloudwarsexpo.com to learn more.
Join thousands of CXOs June 28th to 30th in San Francisco, California at CloudWars Expo as we explore a new metric called the time to dazzle, exclusively focused on how long it takes to dazzle customers with new business models that are enabled by the cloud, empowered by AI, and optimized with human ingenuity. Register today at cloudwarsexpo.com and join a movement to make dazzling customers the metric that matters.
Founded in 2017, the MIT IBM Watson AI Lab is a community of scientists dedicated to pushing the frontiers of AI. And this is the important part here, translating that into real-world impact. And this effort covers many areas of research, such as neurosymbolic AI, efficient AI, NLP, multimodal learning, computer vision, and much more. And then those areas are categorized in three main ways. First is narrow AI, broad AI, and lastly, general AI. And I'll include some details about these categories in the show notes. And one aspect of this work and this collaboration between MIT and IBM has recently surfaced in a new technique. And this technique compares machine learning model reasoning to that of humans. And then that reasoning is then extrapolated so that users can see patterns. Now, this technique is being called shared interest, with the goal of scaling up the analysis process to understand things at a global level on what the model's behavior is, according to the lead author of the paper, Angie Baugust. But let's break this down. Now, I'm really stoked about this continued collaboration between MIT and IBM because this opens up opportunities for MIT students to get involved in the bleeding edge of AI and collaborate with a company that's been in the tech space for many years. And so this work is vitally important, to say the least. But what's the impact to the real world? Now, yes, this technology is trying to mimic the human behaviors in certain ways. But human behavior is a complex thing. And it's really got a foundation in something that is on emotions. But this work in the AI realm is spotting patterns of interactions and or images for rapid analysis, for example. And one area is such as, say, skin lesions for dermatologists, so they could have, say, a higher degree of certainty before making a recommendation or treatment. Now, I alluded to emotions. Now, this is something that AI will find quite out of reach here, because humans are made up of emotions and original creativity, and these are inextricably intertwined, because the creative aspect of humans is reflective of our emotions, or a blend of emotions. Now, I'll continue to dig into these areas of AI as they advance, because remember, the future of AI depends on what we do now. So stay real, stay you.